Back up to you. Okay.
So the springs that are here are not to assist with the deployment on the moon, but on the Earth. We expect the motors on the moon surface to actually have enough torque to create a lifting force. But because we're increased weight due to the Earth's gravity, we have to have that spring to provide the extra lifting force to deploy the rover. So that and the beefed up motors for the extra torque of climbing the hills are some modifications. So in the actual rover, you can see we're sticking out about 3 inches here. We actually plan on that being less than an inch because we'll have more compact motors because we can reduce our torque requirement by 1/6 and maintain the same speed.
Isn't that really complicated, not being able to test in the actual environment?
Yeah, it poses problems, but you have to do the best you can. So we don't actually get to test the real motors, and also our wheelbase is a little wider, which will cause complications. We're going to have to look into that later on. But once we do determine a motor for the actual lunar rover and get a wheelbase, we can make adjustments to accommodate for that. But it's some of the things you have to do. There's alternate tests you can do by building the actual rover, but since it's not powerful enough to operate here, you can do a let-off system where you can do, a lifting force on it that removes 5/6 of its mass or weight on Earth, and that'll allow you to test in the same relative same environment as we would see on the lunar surface.